What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today it is tater picking time. I got my boys, my wife out there already starting the process without me. But it is time to pick some, taters. Yeah, some taters. For you proper folk, potatoes. The missus is checking through. Now we have a shovel, but we also use the pitchfork, so we don't cut any in half with the shovel.
It's kind of hard finding them.
But it is kind of difficult finding them when you got to go in the ground like this, particularly with the pitchfork. Oh, there's one.
Yo, jackpot! Look at this, guys.
That's a nice one right there. We find. Now, we also do potatoes in buckets or bags. We've done potatoes in the grow bags. We've done potatoes in the black pails. We've done potatoes in trash bags, the big 55-gallon trash bags or whatever size they are. We've done them in that. And in every one of them, we've been successful. We've had potatoes. With the trash bags, we also not only had potatoes, but we also had snake eggs. But we've had success doing potatoes with all different types of things that we've used. But I think, what do you think we found with the best? What do you think the best success of our potato growing? Ground. The trash bag was probably the best. The trash bag and the ground, between those two, we got the most harvest. That's just what it seemed. Now, we didn't weigh, we didn't test, it just seemed that way. Oh, she just poked one. Yeah, so that's no good?
I mean, we have to eat it now.
You have to eat it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let me go in here and take her place. We can't have the missus stabbing up all the potatoes. All right, let me get where you are.
Okay, well, you come this way.
Okay, you come this way, and I'll go right beside you. Go right behind you. All right, let me have that.
I'll be taking the work from now.
Let me have that, buddy. That ain't gonna cut it. What's up?
Excuse me. You just almost poked my foot.
I'm not poking your foot. Oh, there's another one I just poked.
I just experienced
This is the only thing about when you get them in the ground.
potato murder.
There's potential. There's definitely a big potential of damaging the potato because you don't know where they are.
Yeah. And I think you should stab one.
All right, let's go back here. This thing's about to pull out on me. All right.
It was this one.
No. There's three. There's three.
Bro, let me get one.
You're too late, bud. You're too late. You got to be on it. You got to be on it.
You gotta keep your head out of the
He's down here. You get to come down on this side.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Grab those. Uh-oh, watch your feet now. Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
I don't remember if these are the Kennebec. I feel like that's what I planted first.
Cannabex, there's one more down there, Meryl.
Oh, I was getting that.
Shucks, got another one.
That's the only thing about the ground.
Yeah, that's the only thing about the ground. You just don't know where they are. So you end up Nice.
Now let's get those last two.
Get those.
Oh my gosh, I got a handful. How much worms are in here? The birds are gonna have a great time.
Don't drop them.
There you go.
Oh, they pull that too.
Yeah. Couple right down here. I think what it is too is
Oh, I just saw something. I just saw something.
there's some.
You think it's what now?
I mean, oh my, a brother tired. We got the potatoes dug up, and we got about what do you think we have? About a half of a 5-gallon bucket. We got. All right, we put the potatoes in a 5-gallon bucket, and the potatoes, I would say, fills the bucket about three quarters full of the 5-gallon bucket. We haven't weighed them, and we don't plan on weighing them. We don't have that capability at the moment, and I don't see myself going out buying no scale just to weigh some potatoes. They will be eaten. They will be enjoyed, but we got a nice little bit. Now the amount of plants. Somebody write down in the comments, kind of the rule of thumb. What's the weight or the yield per plant if everything was working out perfectly? Per plant, you should get about what? What's the yield? Because we had, what do you think we had? About maybe, 12, 13, 14 potato plants? More? 16? Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that, every time we do potatoes, we get the greatest yield. But, like I said earlier, the ground does seem to produce, and the ground and the trash bag does seem to produce the most. The ground, of course, is the most work of all the different techniques, because you don't know if you got all the potatoes or not. So you just keep digging and digging and digging and digging. And some of the potatoes you might poke with the pitchfork. You might slice with the shovel. That's what's I think that's probably the most frustrating thing is putting your pitchfork in there and then coming up with one that you just poked through. But I can't tell you whether or not what we got is the best production of what we planted. But at the same time, I'm happy, I'm excited, because we got something. We got more than what we planted. So we do have a profit of potatoes. So whether it's a small profit or whether it's a big profit, we got a profit. So that makes me glad. I ain't gonna lie. That makes me glad. We do have another area, the conservatory area over here, that is still, we have not dug up yet. So we have 2 areas of potatoes. We dug up the one, got 3/4 of a 5-gallon bucket. We have another area over here that is bigger than the area that we just dug up. So when it's all said and done, we should have a good amount of potatoes that should last us, I'd say at least 6 months. I'd say at least. And I'm a potato eating guy. So I tell you, potatoes to me, that's the best thing God created as far as food is concerned. The potato. It's so versatile and so delicious. Oh, the potato. Oh, real quick, before I forget, let me show you what we got. I said we got about 3/4 of a 5-gallon bucket, but let me show you what we got. That's what we're looking at right there. That's what we're looking at there, right there. Good old beautiful potatoes. Yeah. So, yeah, so we came out pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, you know, like I said, we got more than we planted. So I'm pleased. I am pleased. So there you have it. Make sure you subscribe, tap the like button, hit the bell icon, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.